selling things out of their cart, you know, as we're pushing it. Yeah, so you really get like all of those different kind of like junky economy, all the different like the new to junky recycled economy all happening simultaneously.
Right.
You know, Hammond B3 on there?
Yeah. Yeah, there you go. 119 is the German.
And this is supposed to modulate, but I guess it's not really.
Oh, you're modulating my signal, so watch.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, really? Oh, wow. Cool.
It's funny, it's not working.
It's work anymore.
Oh.
So I put some alligator clips
Yeah.
to these other clips.
Well, it works okay too.
They're on her ear.
Try that sucker.
Try that?
It's not. Well, unless I
Your switch might be off.
unless I did something to this.
Awesome.
I can do the next thing.
Awesome. I like it.
Bravo.
Go back to her ears.
Alright.
Working?
What, you gotta...
And lo-fi, no-fi.
Yes.
So every time it contacts me at the same time between these three, you get a signal. And if this were tuned well, you could space them out in such a way to form a rhythm. So it's kind of like having 40 loops in the real world.
Nice. What do you call it?
Generon.
Okay.
Rich General.
Alright.
Sometime after the apocalypse, someone will find us.
Alright, everybody at once, make some noise. Cool. Scratch. That's you, right?
Make a round of applause.
Yeah, it does. Oh, what is that sound? Can we change that? Yeah, I think it's 117.
We have time. I'm going to make a quick final